Hi, I'm Mark with ClinicSense, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to book a test appointment. So what you'll want to do is select a time and date 2 days in advance of wherever you are right now. So let's say, for example, this is Monday, Halloween. I'm going to select 8 o'clock on Wednesday, and I'm going to select Schedule New Appointment. Now I'm going to enter in the client name, and I'm going to select the service. And since I was doing this on Mary's calendar, she's automatically selected as the practitioner. So what's going to happen now is that as soon as I hit save and close, the email address that I've entered in for my test client, James Smith, is going to get an email. And that's going to be the confirmation email, which will include all of the documentation necessary. If this is their first appointment, which what I would assume it is, would be their intake form, which will include contact information, health history, health conditions, and also a reason for visit form. The reason I said to do it 2 days in advance is so that tomorrow morning you can receive the reminder just like your clients would. And you can see what that'll look like if you selected text or if you selected email. It'll come in either of those fashions, and you'll be able to see what the COVID-19 form looks like, and you'll be able to process what your clients are going to be seeing, but you're also going to be seeing how it impacts your business if you do or don't fill out any of the documentation. So that's how to book a test appointment for yourself. If you have any questions about this or anything else, don't hesitate to reach out. As always, we can be found at support@clinicsense.com. Have a great day.